Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well on this Monday. A morning low 70 degrees, afternoon high 87, 10 above normal. It was nice to see the cool temperatures over the weekend, especially on Saturday. And Saturday morning it was only in the 50s. So the humidity is back, the temperatures are back, and they're all going higher for the next several days. Here's a look at our winds today. 38 miles an hour on our wind gusts today, 31 in Ingleside, so it was definitely a windy day, and that has suppressed our temperatures a little bit. Right now we have a sustained wind here of 30 miles an hour with lower values near and on the water, and that's because the water's cooler than the land, and so when the winds just above the surface mix down, they can't do it in the colder, denser air where the water is definitely lower in value than the land temperature. So the future winds show that it's going to be breezy here overnight and into the morning, although the winds do subside by daybreak. And then tomorrow afternoon, not much wind at all, about a third of what we saw today. And so that's going to allow the temperatures to get hotter, and I think we crossed the 90-degree mark in spite of the winds being out of the southeast. On Wednesday morning, the winds are going to be nearly calm, and we're going to have this influx of moisture from the Gulf at low levels, and this is going to lead to some fog, big-time fog here on Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, we get a moderate sea breeze, and then the winds pick up here again by the time we get to Thursday. So in spite of all this, the air above the surface is very warm, and that's going to lead to 90 degrees plus away from the water, including out at the airport. Dew point temperatures 60s and 70s, so somewhere between muggy and oppressive after being down in this range, comfortable to dry over the weekend. Now, 82 right now, we'll see 72 by midnight, and then we'll hold at that level all the way through daybreak as the winds will be moderately blowing until just before sunrise as this area of low pressure moves out of the plain states. Along that stationary front, it's cool in North Texas right now, the warm, humid air flowing in here. Notice the difference. We don't have a lot of moisture back here in the desert southwest. In fact, it's bone dry. That's because of a ridge of high pressure there that'll be moving over us. There's a frontal system, and eventually our next front will be arriving here on Saturday as this low swings south. There's the ridge of high pressure, and again, that's diverting the moisture away from us. So all levels of the atmosphere are going to start drying out. So that means we're going to heat up with that ridge over us here tomorrow, Wednesday, and even into Thursday, still hanging on. But by Thursday night, this low takes over, and that'll send a Pacific front through here on Saturday. Not much in the way of rainfall, a couple sprinkles, that's about it. And that will lead to cooler but not colder temperatures. We're done with the colder temperatures. Future clouds and rain, well, we've got some clouds in the morning but sunshine in the afternoon. And then on Wednesday, morning clouds will give way to afternoon sunshine, and that means a lot of heat for South Texas. Again, 90s away from the water. 70 at 7, 80 at noon, and 85 at 5 p.m. tomorrow. But the actual high temperature reaches 90 degrees here with 94 in Allison, George West, 85 at the Naval Air Station, 79 over in Port Aransas. Big difference. All right, here is a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, feeling like early summer here with the winds taking over Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The winds come down tomorrow, 90, 92 on Wednesday, 91 for Thursday, 89 Friday, 86 with the front, maybe a sprinkle, but that's it on Saturday. And cooler, we'll actually drop to 57 degrees there on Sunday morning with highs in the 70s. So Katia, it's going to be really hot the next trio of days.
We'll be ready. All right, thanks. So as long as the AC works, right?